Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use green screen on CapCut PC. So the first one, it's kind of like revealing the video. So I'll just use this one. Select your green screen video, go to remove background, select chroma key, and select the color picker. Select the green area. You can adjust the intensity a little bit in the shadow. And it should look like this. There's also the other green screen where it's like on top of the video, like the subscribe button. Go to chroma key again and then select the color picker and then adjust the intensity and shadow here. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!